Look at that. Come on, you're doing it. Oh, wow, Roderick. You're talking. And chatting too. What did you type? What did you type? Come on, you're doing it, Roderick. Keep doing it. Show me how you type. Some more. You gotta put that one, the arrow there. Okay? And then, you can do it. With the other hand. That's the way. Wow. Oh. How you do it? Yes. Yes. What else? And then? Number 2. 2 and 2. And where's the enter? That's the enter? Very good. What else? I'll type it again. Okay. I'll type. Wow. Very clever, Roderick. Oh, cool. Well done, Roderick. Thank you, Roderick. 10. Okay.